Hey guys, today we're gonna wash and dry using our new leaf blower from Amazon on Indian Challenger Dark Horse. Let's get to it. We're using chemical Guys HydroSuds Ceramic wash soap with Adams Polishes foam gun. All right, we're going to remove the soap bucket and hose it down with just water. This is the new leaf blower from Amazon. Looks pretty good for $20. Let's see what kind of job it does. Alright guys, bike is clean and dry. Thank you for watching. If you're in South Florida, I would like to rent a motorcycle. Please check out the link in the description below, along with the listing of all products we use to wash the bike. Hope to see you in the next video. Peace.